Hello everyone, I'm Coco. As an ink source factory, some customers ask, besides ink, do you also have DTF film and hot melt powder? Beyond ink, we offer more comprehensive printing solutions. DTF business owners, have you ever encountered these problems? The same ink, the same hot melt powder, the same printer, and the same printing parameters. Others' colors are stable, but yours vary. The skin-friendly feel is different, and the softness also differs. Paper feeding is unstable, shifting left and right, severe static, frequent ink misting. The printer, the ink, and the hot melt powder are all exactly the same, so where's the problem? It seems fine during troubleshooting. On the table here, I've printed samples on several of the major brands of double-sided instant peel film. Let's take a closer look together and see what we can find. First, let's take this one. Let's look at the second one. Let's look at the fourth one. Let's look at the fifth one. This is our sixth one. So why print so many materials for comparison? It's to simulate various problems you might face during operation. We need to solve them, but how? So we print for testing and comparison. Now you can see these films. Some people ask, what is the impact of differences in the coating process? Well, yes, it really does matter. It can influence how the ink penetrates the surface and also affects the overall color performance. Some people find that even when all parameters are identical, the printed colors still vary. That is because of differences in the coating process. The feel of the finished film also varies. You can see some have great stretchability, while others feel more breathable. So what will that affect? It will affect the softness and overall hand feel after the ink layer and hot melt adhesive powder are combined. Then there's also the structural difference of the substrate. It's very hard to see, but different substrates will determine the stability, specifically the paper feeding stability. Also, differences in surface treatment will affect the release of static electricity, as well as the control of ink mist. If you encounter similar problems during production, you can share your situation with me, and we can work together to troubleshoot and solve your issues.